group in society has its own role, and this is important in many different ways. Youth, as a description, a sector of society, has many definitions depending on the perspective being used. For the purpose of this discussion, youth will be considered to be the stage of life involving transitions into adulthood, approximately age 15 to 25. Young people often considered to represent the future as they bring new ideas and energy to add to the pool of knowledge that currently exists. Youth is not only the vital source of state but also a change agent. They are the evolver of social, economic, political, and cultural transformation and the driving force for change. The United Nations has assumed that the people with the age group of 15 to 24 years are only youth. The youth play a vital role in the constructive process of building social cohesion, economic prosperity, and political stability in a nation in an exclusive and democratic way. The involvement of youth in the nation building is as much as they play one of the most important roles. Hence, youth are ultimately the social actors of change, and the process youth can work forth for the nation in every possible way. They can stay and create employment themselves with the skills they possess, then going to abroad and seeking for job opportunity there. It can bring the youth in the forefront of national development with the proper guidance and direction. The youth have dreams, hopes, and passions. They yearn to achieve something great in life. They have gushing enthusiasm which has to be regulated and utilized in the right way. After all, people can exercise their full potential when they are young and energetic. In order to make the country prosperous, we have to create opportunities for children and youth in which they can feel free to get quality education, learn skills for making the desired level of changes in their economic and social sectors. If the government of Pakistan succeeded to achieve it in time, there is no doubt that the most active, energetic, and dynamic group can use their potential to make a flourishing Pakistan. For this, education is the most important tool. Quality and equal education for all to make the coming youth most professional and skill-oriented ought to be guaranteed by our government. The bitter fact is unless we are using the physical power of youth, no country can go ahead. It is highly time to export services than to import them. And for this purpose, all youth must join hand in hand to make a joint effort for a positive impact. There are many roles of youth in the nation building process, one of which being the fact that they can reproduce, meaning they can take up the positions left by their elders and put in efforts to further grow and develop. They can produce more and more with initiative actions and contribute much to the society, henceforth the nation. The other role comprises of protection, which implies that the youth are expected to protect their culture and tradition while at the same time acknowledge and embrace changes. This way, the heritage sites can be well maintained and promoted growth. Growth being the other role implies that the development of country in all the spheres like social, political, and economic depends largely on youth and their actions. Hence, growth are ultimately the building blocks of the nation. The stronger the youth are, the more developed the nation is. If people in the past could override things and be evergreen characters, then why can't the youth of today? That too when provided with all the modern means. So, let's hope for the best and support the idea of youth being such an example in the time to come.